want Biki? Gusto niyo raw ng Biki. Do you want Biki soft? Biscuits. You want biscuits?
No.
What do you want?
No, Sophie.
No, for Sophie. Okay, okay. What do you want? Come on.
I want chips.
You want chips? Huh?
Chips.
Ayan, si Kuya Sak, hindi yan nilak.
And for that.
Ako na. Ako na, Baba. Ako na. Ako na. Which one you want? What do you want?
I'm gonna eat two.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna have these ones.
Wait. I'll do it, Baba.
Okay.
Okay. What? Okay. Get one.
I got those ones. Can you get one?
Wait,
Wait, I'll get her one.
Okay, say thank you. She wants to get her own. Go, hurry up. Ako na, ito.
No.
No? This? Oh, sorry.
No.
What do you want? Nothing? I know what you want. Ito ang gusto niyan. This? Yeah, paborito niya yun. What you gonna say? Huh? What you gonna say?
Open me.
Open me. Open, please. Oh, don't make a mess, okay? What you gonna say? You're welcome. Nandun sila sa kwarto ni Kuya. Yan, nanonood sila doon. So, ayan, yan. Ito na yung aking next agenda. Marami-rami to eh. Kay Sak, TJ, and Holly to. Ayan, mix na siya. Mga ilang load din to. 2 yata to, 3. Diba? Ang dami. Tapos, ito pala yung cards. Hindi ko to napakita nung birthday ata ni Jan. Or, pinicture ko. Hindi ko alam. Ito yung ginawa ni Sak kay daddy niya, oh. Mahilig si Sak mag-drawing. Dad. Ayan. Walang nakalagay. Kasi hindi pa naman siya marunong masyado magsulat. So, ayan. And kay Kuya TJ. Where's Kuya TJ? And, ito yung regalo namin kay Jan. And, ito yung cards na ginawa ni Sak. Hindi ko alam kung napakita ko to. So, ito yung ginawa ni Zachary. Ayan. Hindi pa naman siya marunong masyado magsulat, pero mag-drawing. Ayan, ang drawing niya. Yes, and ito yung kay Kuya. Naghanap kami ng card ng 43. Yung 43 yung cards, kasi 43 na si Jan. Anong shupa-shupa? Gusto niya ng supa-dupa. Supa-dupa. Yung ano yun, yung parang ice candy dito. Manners.
Peace. Sophie Hatat.
Pardon?
Sophie Hatat.
Sophie as well.
Chupa.
You're chupa-chupa?
Sophie South.
Sophie.
Sophie South.
Sophie also. You're gonna give some for Sophie?
It's S for Sophie.
Okay. So, eto. Ayan si Selmy sinasabi. So, gusto nilang kumain ng supa-dupa. Yung parang ice candy dito. So, ayan. Malabo tuloy. Ayan. Eto yung ginawa ni Kuya. Ang cute. Siya lang. Hindi niya ako tinanong. Eto yung sinulat niya sa daddy niya. Oh. Ayan. Kita niyo ba? Dear Dad. Ay, ang labo ng G7X. Happy birthday, Dad. I hope you have a great birthday on your day. Daddy, I love you. Oh, ang sweet ni Kuya. Yan yung drawing niya, oh. Ano kaya itong ibig sabihin ng drawing niya? Basta yan, oh. Ang cute, diba? Buti na lang kasi buti na lang talaga hindi kayo nakahanap ng card na may 43. Kasi kung hindi nila to gagawin siguro. So, ayan, nag-efforts yung mga bata na makagawa ng card para sa daddy. Yan lang, na-share ko lang. So, magtutupi na ako. Balik tayo sa aking trabaho. Ang daldal na nito. Ito yung sinasabi. What's this, Holly? Pink. What's this? What do you call this? Supa? Supa what? Supa dupa. What's this, Kuya? Super duper. Ang tawag nila ay super dupa. Pero ayan siya. Ayan ang pangalan niya. Super duper. Ayan. Hindi mag-focus eh. Basta yan. Ayan. Okay. Okay, tapos meron siyang eto para hindi malamigan yung kamay nila. So, sandali, buksan ko lang to. Yes, okay. Last ko kasi sa kanya binuksan. Eto na, oh. What you gonna say? Masarap? Try. Can mommy have a try? Please? How? How to bite? How? Oh, tinuturuan niya pa ako niyan. Okay, bite. Hello? Okay. Don't make a mess, okay? Okay, eat na. Not on the couch, ha? No couch. May kumakatok si kuya na to. Naglalaki na kasi si kuya. Hi, kuya. Hi. How are you? How are you? Oh, you're hot. Close the door. Close the screen first.
Mom,
How are you?
I got to eat a lollipop
Why you have this? What this for?
from the teacher because the teacher was just learning the tape and we ate a lollipop.
Oh, you eat a lot.
No, just one.
Just one. Okay.
Big, those ones are, that one are from that big lollipop.
Yeah.
That's
Ah, the candy cane.
No, big lollipop. Yeah, that sort.
Okay.
Yeah, and I had blue and it made my tongue blue.
Yeah, it is. And hey, listen, Daddy just rang. He said you're not going to play golf today because it's really hot. So yeah, Sophie is here.
Oh.
Yeah, that's Daddy said. You're not gonna play golf today because it's really hot. Kasi kahapon din, hindi namin sila pinalaro kasi sobrang init. As in, sobrang init. Sasakit lang ang ulo nila. It's But what? Yeah, but Daddy's not here.
Where's that?
Zach is in his bedroom with Sophie and Holly. They're having Supa Dupa. You want some?
Wait, and where's Kobe?
Kobe at school.
Oh yeah, is he walking on or what?
I'm not sure now. Okay, have us something to eat. Andun kasi si Zach, nanonood sila ng TV. Yung nasa kot, tsaka yun, yung blanket na nandyan, linipat ko muna dito sa kot. Ayan, maliwalalas na yung kot. So, linagay ko muna dito yung mga blanket para sa couch. And, eto, yung dyan, yung dalawang yon, mga pangregalo din yan. Yan yung regalo namin kay dyan. So, hindi ko na-realize na ganito pala karami. So, siguro 3 load to. Tapos, natambak lang talaga dyan kasi linagay ko lang ng linagay. Hindi ko na-realize na ang dami na pala talaga. Buti na lang talaga linang ko tong araw na to sa pagtutupi. Kasi tingnan nyo, ang dami. Good luck sa akin. Akala ko kunti na lang yung tutupiin ko. Ang dami pa pala. Yan, medyo malapit na. Kunti na lang. I-check ko muna yung mga bata sa lab. Ayan sila. Si Zach nagbabike. No more bubbles. Come here, let me see your face. What happened to your face? Patingin. Pugi. May sipong kasi siya. Binigyan ko na siya ng medicine kanina pero mamaya-maya inom ulit siya ng Panadol. Where's the bubble? Hinaasar ka na naman ni Kuya. Sabang dungis mo na. Kuya, watch her, okay? Get your car, Papa. So, dito lang sila, oh. Wala na. Nasaan yung sleeper mo? Ha? Tingnan nyo siya. Para ka ng pusa. Patingin. Let me see your face. Shush. Galit na galit siya, oh. Ang yabang. Okay, see ya. Bye. So, okay naman sila dito. Balik ulit ako dun sa mga tupiing ko. Ay, Kuya, you watch your sister, ha? Okay, get that hat. It's not hot now, Kuya. Naka-footy, ano na naman siya, oh. Kuya, yan ang paborito niyang isuot pag umuwi siya ng bahay, galang school. Yang accident footy, ano niya, uniform. Kasi lagi siya nagpa-practice. Ayan, magkikik na naman siya ng... Kuya, careful! So, pasok na tayo. Magtupi ulit tayo. Ha? Hoy, dungis! Dungis, let me see your face! See you, Kuya! Watch your sister. Yes. Be careful there, love. Be careful. Ayan, si Kuya. Okay, just be careful. To my office. Finally, ayan, natapos ko rin yung mga tupiin ko dito. So, eto lahat to kay Holly. Eto, most dito kay Zach and TJ. Meron lang akong konti tsaka kay Jan. And yeah, tapos ko. So, ilalagay ko na lang sila sa kanilang cabinets or drawers. So, ngayon, i-check ko ulit yung mga bata. Nandito na sila dyan. Tsaka yung parents ni Sophie. Kunin ko si Holly kasi kailangan niya na mag-take ng medicine niya. Kasi nga, meron siyang running nose. Side effect dun sa vaccination niya. So, due ng pag-iinom niya ng gamot. Si Holly, oh my God. Mukha na siyang pusa. Ano pa siya sa labas. Ayaw niyang pumasok. Pinapapasok na siya ni Jan.
Hey, tell him that guy.
Sabi niya, my friend.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, sino na kausap ko? Ha? Oh, come on. Ayan na po yung aking pusang anak. Yeah, take medicine, Baba. Baba, medicine. Come on.
She's really dirty.
Oh,
I know. Kasi hinayaan ko lang sila maglaro sa labas habang nagtutupi ako ng mga damit. Baba, come on.
I'll pick that guy up back. And then,
Okay. Can you say
and
hi?
then I'm sitting up there with that stuff on my knee.
Say
This
hi.
Hi. This stuff here.
Stocking. Okay, come on, Ollie. Maliligo ka na, ha? Yeah, but you have to take your medicine first. Careful, ha? Oi, move here. Sako, put it back there na. You're gonna say? You're welcome. Say, hi guys. Tingnan niyo po ang pusa, oh. Ngayon ko lang siya nakitang ganyang karumi. Nayet naman, nayet, oh. Nayet. Nayet, see, told you. Kasi hinayaan ko lang siya maglaro, talaga magsawa siya maglaro sa labas kasama si Sophie, si Saksha ka, nung dumating si kuya niya. Wait, Baba, I'm gonna take medicine first. Where's your medicine? In the fridge? Yeah. What?
These are my pajamas.
In the fridge, Baba? Don't. What? TJ? No, there, Baba. Wait, love, I'm gonna get your medicine. That's Kuya, Zach.
Mom, that's my pajamas.
Okay, Mommy, open. Tingnan niyo yung itsura, ha. I-focus ko. Holly, look. Baba. Hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Like,
I watch.
dirty.
Okay.
Pusa po siya ngayon. Napabayaan talaga. Nakawala siya sa hawla. Naglaro talaga siya ng naglaro sa labas. Hanggang magsawa siya. Okay na, akin na. Zach, malulobat kayo. Can you please get the battery, Kuya, for my camera, please? Come on, Mommy, shake first. Mommy, shake first. Okay, you shake. Shake. Good. Okay. Kuya, please. Malulobat si Mommy. Zach, ikaw na lang, please. Kuya is in the shower now. Please. Kuya, Zach, please. Come on, please. May sipong kasi siya, kaya ganyan. Siguro ganun siya ng ganun ng sipon niya, tapos laro siya ng laro dun sa grass. Yung dumi, ayan, dumikit na sa mukha niya. Yes, Baba.
Don't open.
You open.
It's not on.
It's alright, akin na. Maliligo na sila. Yes! Okay, akin na. Tingnan nyo pag uminom to ng gustong-gusto niya. Right, Baba? You like medicine, right? Yes. Oh.
Your face.
Okay, look at here. Show your face. Say hi, guys.
Okay.
Ang dumi-dumi niya. So, ano lang, 8 ml lang yung ibibigay ko sa kanya. Oh, no, Baba, no. Okay. Okay. Good girl. Another one. Oh, come on, I'm gonna have a shower. Finish your medicine. Come on. One more, a little bit more. So, paliguan ko muna siya. Si Kuya kasi si Sak, marunong sila maligo. Ito, paliguan ko to.
Hurry up, Papa, to the shower.
Come on. Say siya, maliligo na po ang pusa. Maliligo na siya. You're yucky. Ayan na po siya. Nakaligo na siya. Hindi na siya mukhang pusa. Oh. Malinis na yung mukha niya. Hindi niya na kinaya yung antok. Sobrang pagod to kasi mainit sa labas. And then naglaro lang sila na naglaro sa labas. Papasok lang sila pag iinom ng tubig, kakain, tapos balik ulit sa labas. Then nung dumating din si Kuya TJ, ayun, naghabulan sila. So ayan, tulog na. So magluluto na lang ako ng hotdog kasi gusto nila Kuya hotdog, yung Filipino hotdog. So sabi ko sige, kasi wala na rin akong time magluto kasi tawag noon, maghapon ako nagtupi ng mga damit. Tapos ko na, tapos na yung mga tupin. Bukas naman maglalaba. Walang katapusan dito ang laba tsaka tupi. Pag naglaba ka, may tutupi. Ang pagkatupi mo ng mga linabhan, may iloload na naman na mga labahan. Ganun lang yun. Lalo na pag may 3 bata. Makonsumo sa damit. So yun ang ulam namin hotdog. Tapos gagawa ako ng meron akong itlog na maalat. So, mag-chop na lang akong tomato, tsaka onions. Tapos, pinutuhan ko yung mga bata ng hotdog, tsaka itlog. So, yun ang ulam namin. Si Jan kasi okay na daw siya kasi nga, kararating lang din niya. Umalis siya, so kumain na yata sila sa labas. Ayan na yung ito na yung hot dogs and eggs and ito yung itlog na maalat na may tomato, tsaka onions, tsaka may lemon. And si Holly 15 minutes lang nakatulog kasi ginising siya ng daddy niya. Hinalik-halikan siya ng daddy niya nagising. Holly, come on! Papa time! Which is good para makakain siya ng dinner. Yeah, because you just had a shower. Okay. Okay, get the chair now, please. Ayan na po siya. Gising na po siya. Hindi na siya madungis. Hoy. Look at me. Show your face. Hoy, show your face. Yeah, don't touch. Look at mama. Hoy, look at mommy. Pinapaano ko lang yung yung kanin kasi mainit pa. Yes. Don't touch, papa. Oh, hot. Hot. Ayan, kain muna kami. Ayan, so good night na talaga. Hot! Itong damit pala ni Holly kay TJ tsaka kay Sak pa yan. So, ayan siya na nagmana. Ayan na po yung mga pirana. Wait for the rice because the rice is still hot. Yeah, the rice is still hot, Kuya. Gutom na sila. Oh. It's an egg. Okay, try. Baba, no! You have to use the spoon. It's salty. Akala mo lechon ng... It's salty, Kuya. Akala mo lechon ng ulam namin, oh. Mainit pa kasi yung inaano ko lang. Pinapasingaw para hindi siya masyadong mainit. Ano, Kuya? You want this? Nagustuhan niya yung You want this too? Sa?
Mom, do you have more salt eggs?
No more. So you want this?
Yeah.
Okay. Si Sak ayaw. You don't want this. You want this one? Yes. Huh?
Mom.
Yes. Your spoon. Okay. Blow. Okay, wait, Baba. Your rice is coming. Okay? Just wait. Ay, si Kuya. Gustong-gusto niya yung ikumaalag. Si Sak yung naman.
Can I put some?
Yeah. Just wait for the egg. Oy.
Can you put some on, Mom?
Yes, I will. Baba, don't. Ayan, sige nga. Pakainin ko lang muna to. Ay, don't, Baba. Okay, get your chair, please. Get the chair, Kuya. Get the chair, the black one, please.
I'm on Dad's chair.
No, you just sit here. Ilayo ko tong egg.
Let's go in the tea.
Okay, come on. Go na to Kuya. Go down and sit na there.
Mom, it's time for egg.
The rice is still hot, Baba. You can even eat the rice. I know, but the rice is still hot.
You know which one's more?
Yeah, okay. You can bite if you want. Magbabite na raw siya ng hotdog. Ang sarap ng hotdog na to, guys. Juicy.
Yeah.
May cheese siya sa loob, eh. Kuya, come on, get Holly. Put Holly there now, please. Gutom na siya talaga.
Mom, that one's mine.
Yes.
You want to buy?
Okay. Ayaw nilang maniwala. Ang init-init ng rice, oh. Nakikita nyo? Nagagalit na si Saksha kasi kuya.
Which one's mine? Which one's mine? That one.
Okay. Okay, the placemat's ready. It's still hot, Zach. It's still hot. You wait. Here's your hot dog.
Oh, yes, that's mine.
And you want egg?
Egg.
Manners.
Glaze. Spoon.
Yeah.
And glaze. And bowl. And spoon.
Si kuya gusto to. Bigyan natin si kuya nito. Get ready now, kuya.
Get the pan.
Holly, put your bib.
That's it.
Okay. Hinahabol niya si Holly para ilagay yung bib.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, how do you do this again? And then first, the Son, Holy Spirit, Emma.
Thank you for the food. Okay. You want egg, Holly? Yes, thank you. Yeah. You want more eggs, kuya?
Oh, that egg.
You want this one?
Eggs.
Oh, akala ko ayaw mo. Kaya sobra yung linuto ko para alam ko Yeah. As long as you eat it. Okay. Okay, yo.
One, please. Hi, guys. I need to unzip that one for the other one. Where's the one big one? White and open. Where's the one big one?
Oh wow, that looks alright, boys. Look at that. Want some sauce?
Yeah.
Pardon?
Please.
Yeah, here's yours with egg. Hurry up!
Hurry up. Right, Bubba.
Mom, is there more egg for me?
Yeah, there's more eggs here for you. Yeah, coming, Baba.
Well, you love that spoon. Oh. What do you think? What? What? The spoon? This. Oh, what is the big spoon? Sure.
Yeah, you got sauce here, Baba.
Yeah.
It's hot. This is very hot.
Mom? On Filipino sauce.
You want Filipino sauce? Please.
Please.
Yeah. Ito ka dyan. How about you, kuya? Filipino sauce? No, thank you.
Let's see that sauce. Mom.
Oh, this is spicy.
What?
Oh my god, oh, this is spicy. Wait.
What is it?
The tomatoes that I get is spicy.
Is that spicy?
It's spicy.
What's with this?
No, this one. The one I got from Asian store. It's spicy, isn't it now?
What is it?
It's very spicy. It's spicy to. Tamis anghang. Sobrang anghang naman.
Oh, Mom, that's not the right one, Mom.
I know.
That's hot.
It's very hot.
That's a big brain.
Is it? Mali yung nakuha
That's
kong ano.
red.
That's spicy. Ang anghang. Kahit nga ako na anghangan eh. Here, Baba. Here, look. Here's your egg.
Mom, give me some milk, not the blue top, the purple one.
Numbers, please.
Please, I need to eat this sauce. I want my sauce.
Numbers.
Thank you. That was really spicy, Mom.
Yeah, I know. Yung nakuha kong banana ketchup sa Asian, din sa Pilipinas. Sobrang maanghang para sa kanila. Mali yung nakuha ko.
Oh, good. Spicy.
Ito yung nakuha kong mali yung ketchup na nakuha ko. Kasi ayan pala, hot and spicy. Hindi ko nakita. Sobrang anghang para sa kanila. Pero sa akin, masarap siya. Mali. Ayan na si Holly, oh. Naririnig niyo ba si Holly kanina? Sinasabihan akong, hurry up!
Mom, Mom, is the green one hot?
Yeah, I'll have to find the other one. Not this one. Sige, kain na kami. Say good night now. Good night na, kuya.
Good
Say bye.
night.
Look, say good night.
Good night.
Okay, Baba. Say good night.
Good night.
Look. Uy. Say good night. Say bye. Uy. Say good night na, Baba.
It's not on stage. Oh, yeah.
Busy na siya. Oh. Say good night now.
Bye,
Look. Say bye, guys.
guys.
If you're really there, don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa